like that's too much for me, man.
That's like out there, bro. Like I
Big old park can on the back, dude.
Yeah, dude, it fucking works.
And you have defendant relief, or like actually.
Nah, he's got one. That was stupid on the fucking gym.
Yeah, I would. I really don't like.
Like,
Honestly,
can you imagine at nighttime you being like, yeah, just fucking.
yeah, for real.
That shit's
Like
sharp.
some kid, you know, on his bicycle would fucking trip over that shit.
Yeah.
Too much, man. Fucking wheels. Yeah. You have to run wide body with wheels like that.
Oh yeah.
I don't even want to ask. He probably got a good deal on them used. These brand new, bro. And they're at least 10 and a half.
Did you see that the fucking Holland's back?
Yeah.
How
much
much
you
He's got the.
I think his fender flares are actually getting painted. I'm not sure. It'll look good once it's done, whenever that fucking happens. Dang, dude. Bone stock interior.
Is he on oil?
What's up?
Is he on oil?
Him?
Yeah.
I think so.
They call him back. Looks like
He got his front ones in. Oh wow, he literally went and bought the same jack I have.
Fucking thing like that. I fucking know what we're talking about.
It's your fault for buying a German car, man.
I don't even know what the fuck these things are.
The car's transmission locks itself out. Right, you can buy a Manning, like it's a, I forget what it's, that's like a Megan block, and it cuts it out. And I just, nobody, but you can get it, I can get it. But like, if I don't have traction control off, it'll lock out my second gear.
That sucks. Yeah, I know. That's one of my mechanics things. Alright, what's up YouTube? Got a couple projects today. It's looking like we're going to try and pull my fenders just a little more. And then we're also gonna vinyl wrap my boys' fucking bumper little thing right here. Should be a very interesting project. Of course, you guys may or may not have seen this Jenny already. Did a little diffuser install yesterday. It actually wasn't too hard. so get to it. Yeah, one time we went to Florida.
Yeah. When, that girl. Do I know your brother?
When you told that girl that you knew her brother
And I didn't know her brother.
and she bit.
She was like, yeah, like he's younger than I said, like, how old? She was like, oh, you know, like, he's a year. And I was like, yeah, he just graduated, right? She's like, yeah. She was like, what's his name? I said, I was like, what's your last name? She was like, Gonzalez or some shit. And I was like, yeah, Rico or something like that. And she was like, my brother's not Rico.
Busted.
There goes that one.
Looks like these guys are still holding on to it.
Which ones?
The fucking splitter things. You're taking them out anyway, so get them out. Yeah, I was just standing back and watching you do your fucking thing and shit. It was hilarious.
It was working, so I
And she was like, what's your name? And then you were like, oh, Morgan. You know, like, actually my uncle.
Yeah,
you know Morgan and Morgan? That shit was so funny. else we got in that little bits. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. A little crap on the edge. Yeah, I probably should have taken that off beforehand.
I'll pick it up.
You can probably use a razor. Almost like a really weak saran wrap.